What's up guys, Michael from Unboxing. So in today's video I'm going to be playing 3 games on the Camon 15 Premier, and which are Pubg, Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile. What's up guys, Michael from Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. Before we get into the video, let me highlight some specs of the Camon 15 Premier. 6.6 inch 1080p LCD display, 4000 mAh battery, MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, Power VR GE8320 for graphics and gaming. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.